friends, let's look at the animals that we can find on a farm. Get your backpacks ready and let's take a trip. I see chickens. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? Make your best chicken sound with me. Cluck, 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 cluck. Great job. If you listen closely, you can hear the chickens clucking. I see a pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Make your best pig sound with me. Oink, oink, oink. If you listen closely, you can hear the pig. I see a cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Make your best cow sound with me. Moo. Good job. If you listen closely, you can hear the cows moo. I see ducks. Do you know what sound a duck makes? Make your best duck sound with me. Quack, 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 quack. Good job. If you listen closely, you can hear the ducks quack. I see roosters. Do you know what sound a rooster makes? Make your best rooster sound with me. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Great job. If you listen closely, you can hear the rooster. I see a horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Make your best horse sound with me. Neigh. Good job. If you listen closely, you can hear the horse. Thank you so much for coming to the farm with me. It was so fun. Until next time, friends. Bye-bye. If you liked today's video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.